Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this tutorial, we will be learning how to change your name in Mobile Legends Bang Bang. In order to change your name in Mobile Legends, first of all, open up the Mobile Legends Bang Bang application on your device, and on the main home screen, go ahead and tap on your profile picture at the top left. After opening up your profile, go ahead and tap on your name at the top, and in the pop-up, enter a new name that you want to change to. You can also tap on the dice icon in order to create a new name. You'll then be able to see a couple of pre-made names which you can choose from, and finally click on OK in order to select or choose the name. Now click on OK again to confirm, and in order to change your name, you'll need a rename card. If you don't have one, you'll need to go to the shop and buy a rename card so that you can change your name anytime. Go ahead and get to the shop menu, look for the rename card. In order to purchase the rename card, you'll need to spend 99 diamonds. And after you have the free name change card, you can easily change your name. So that is how you easily change your name on Mobile Legends Bang Bang. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this. I will see you in the next video. Stay tuned till then.